Don't do that. 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 Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. There you go. There you go. You see? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see up here. Ha, 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 ha. I just want to sit. Okay. All right, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty, aren't we? Yes, we are. Should I do your face first? Should I do that first? Should I just take this cone head off and just attack your face first? Let's try it out. Let's see how you do with just the face here. Huh? Let's get, let's try, no, let's do a 4 guard here. Kind of want to just do a 7. Okay, let's just see how he does with this first. That's fine. You want to lay down? Go ahead. I'm going to let you lay down, but I hope I don't regret it. Okay? Here. Go ahead, lay down. And now you can't, huh? Now I lifted it too high? Well, you're confusing me too. I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to do. I mean, this is not rest time. I only got you here 20 minutes, right? Don't get upset. Don't get upset with me. Hey, hey, hey. Up, 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 up. Oh, okay. Now you're gonna get pissed about that? Okay. Food. I'm taking note here. Now I know. We're getting close to that patience where you don't have patience for me. So you're gonna stay over there for the face? Okay. Let me see how I'll do this. I need you to look up. Can you look up? Can you look up? This is not a good position for me. Did he react to the whiskers? No, he didn't, okay? I could shave his face right now, he'll be all right with it, okay? So just FYI, if his face is completely matted and you shave it off, he's not freaking out because of the whiskers, okay? All right. Did you see him wince? No, he didn't wince. Come on now. Come on, get it together.
No.
Get it together. Get it together here. Hey, hey, good. Let me get my finger there. Yeah, that's what I need. Yes. Let's move the ear out of the way. I know I got you right here with me. Boo, 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 boo. Who's that? I hope no one's at the door. No one's at the door, is it? No? No one's at the door? Okay. Hope no one's at the door because you're looking at the door a lot. Yes, you are. Hello, let me see. Don't do that. Don't do that. Good. No, 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 no. That's fine. That's fine. Look outside. Look at that. Is that a car driving by? Don't. What are you chewing on? Huh? Your tongue? Are you chewing your own tongue here? Get all this blood out of here, huh? Yeah. See, can I see you here? Yeah.
What is that?
This is my small thinning shearer. Got gold, baby, just like Fortnite. There's only a couple available. Up, look up. Okay, let me see him. Okay. Yes. Yes, hi. I'm gonna get close and personal here. Yes. 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 Just rest. Just rest. Yes. Yes. Good. That's a good boy. You like it when I talk to you? Okay. Well, what do you want to talk about? You want to talk about pizza? I mean, you want to talk about going on a diet? Because I sure need to go on a diet.
I think he really likes that.
You want to talk? Okay, let's talk. So, well, I'll just tell you a story. You want me to tell you a story? I'll tell you a story, okay? So, let me get close. If you want me to talk, you have to work with me here. Work with me here. I'll tell you a story if you let me work with me, okay? Oh yeah, you're looking cute. Yes, yes, you're looking so cute. Yeah, can I get this side? Okay, let me see. I'll tell you a story. Tell you a story when we get done, okay? Tell you a story. I'll tell you a story. Yes, I will. Let me see. Let me see. It's really hard to read through this mask. Let me see. Up. You know what I'm talking about? There's no way you gotta know what I'm talking about. I mean, if you do, it's crazy. If you know what a tummy liner is. You see our ear shear? Here, you gonna smell? You don't want to have any part of it? Okay. So with your situation, what I'd like to do is muzzle you. And honestly, I do kind of feel like you're different than most dogs. So I'm going to see if this fits.